Hey guys, JT here with another run of my Arrma Granite 4x4. Of course, this is the mega version, but you guys know that I put the BLX system in here, and I think I'm running, shoot, I want to say the 14 pinion. It's either the 14 or 15. I didn't put the 17 in here, but I think that I may. I can't remember, so I do apologize about that. Go on your feet, go on your feet. Oh, all that need to go on his feet. All right, back up and running on his feet. So you guys know I've had this thing since October of 2017, and it's March 2018. So I've had this thing for several months. I did a afterthoughts video and actually a final review video and stuff, but just to let you guys know what I've broken on this thus far, and what had to be replaced. So the only thing that has broken on this has been the servo. Doing some jumps and stuff, landing pretty hard, and the stock servo did break. I think I saw Arrma had a version 2 of the stock servo that comes with it, so I'm not sure what that is, but I just went ahead and upgraded the servo to the, I can't remember the name of it. It's the one that comes in like the Raider brushless version. The Raider XL brushless version, because it is a Metal Gear servo and it's a little bit stronger. So I went ahead and put that in here, and I did at some point several weeks ago replace the spur gear in it because it was getting worn down, running brushless power, and I ran on 3S as well. But I did go ahead and replace that, and that was like, I think $299 or something like that. So other than that, I haven't had to replace anything with it. I haven't. I know some people out there have really been bashing these things and stuff, but it's been pretty good for me. And now I know that they're releasing a lot more upgrades for this car. So for instance, I saw that there's going to be some 12mm hex adapters for this, so you're not having to use 14mm hex wheels for this. So I did see that. Man, that big old rock just knocked me to the side. And then I did see that Duratrax is releasing all of their tires and wheels that they have in 12mm hexes. So those are going to be the Picket and all those. They are releasing those in a 14mm hex as well. So it's going to give you a lot wider selection of tires and wheels that have 14mm hex, which is good. And then of course, I did see that Arrma has a couple of things out, which is making me think that they will be, my steering keeps going off. Fix this real quick while I'm talking to y'all, if y'all don't mind. Let's do like, get back to driving. I did see that Arrma does have several things out. They've had a wheelie bar for this out for a couple months now, which makes me think that a brushless version is coming soon. I just don't know when. And then they've done a couple of things out there that are modified as well. They have one of the gears that connects to the differential. They have one of those. Instead of it being all plastic, they have the shaft for it being aluminum, so that won't break. And they probably got a couple other things. I've just been going to like Tower Hobbies and then clicking on searching on the car, and then clicking on the parts list for it. And then from that point, seeing what parts are out there, because the parts are real cheap for this, guys. It's not expensive, and there's no need to do a lot of upgrades with it if you're going to run it 2S system and stuff in it. You know, 3S is going to be a whole different story. I've run mine on 3S and flipped it and cracked the body a couple times, so this is a brand new body that I got on here. And I do have a green one. Yeah, I bought a green one. I know, it's bad, crack fiending, but I do have a green one. That's kind of my shelf queen right now. I haven't really been driving that one, but I do have a green one as well, so. But other than that, guys, this thing is held up well. The usual wear and tear. Tires wear down a little bit. Did get some water in the tires. I had to get that water out, but that was from running in the snow. And I went mud bogging one day. I should have filmed that video, right? That would have been that was very interesting. So So guys, quick run of this. This thing has been, whoa, where are you going? Where are you going? Get back in the, get back in the, there you go. Trying to take off on his own. So I've been running this thing for a long time, guys, several months now, and only had to replace minor things when that's expected with any RC car. So I do plan on taking this back to the skate park with it being brushless like this and doing some videos there. And I do plan on, we have an event coming up in a couple of weeks. I do plan on jumping it there as well. We got a 6-foot ramp that we're going to have out, so I will be launching this bad boy. See how far we can get. So anyway, guys, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.